Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Good afternoon, viewers and the vice of Bed Miller. This is another Nip Center Circle. Yeah, man. This is yeah, man. Today, what they call at the street derby, the same lane derby, the same street. Neva Allen today. Neva Allen clash today. It's a must win for Nip. Yeah, man. Get back on track. Yeah, man. As I say, big ups to all the viewers and the vice of Bed Miller. We do a little small content, because we don't want to put up a content this morning to talk about our Prime Minister. We just talk a little about deep school. Yeah, man, instead, as usual, man, to school. But what I say now, you see me now, I come today now, and I come to school early, I'm there from early, I'm there from about 11 o'clock. From about 11 o'clock, so 11:30, I'm see with them. And I tell you what them say, why the performance, what them put on. And I tell the ball of them say the performance, what them put on against Spot Valley Tuesday. Make me decide, say, so from now until the rest of the season, I don't know when we go pick up the video camera. Because as I said before, I don't like video football games, you know. I just love watching football games, you know. Not even action picture, I kind of know. When ball drop, I don't like to take action picture them. Because when I tell State them back in the day, so boy, I'm going to stop the action picture because I can't get to watch a game in peace. I love watching games then. And I see, because you see performance in Nip School put on against Spot Valley Tuesday. When Spot Valley scored early in the second half, and I see Nip School drop some ball, I tell you about that. And the ball just can't go in the back of net. Some ball I see play Tuesday gone since week. I say, boy, oh me, no higher. I have to sit down now and watch the game, them and enjoy the game them. Just like when time Mr. D and them past player come and watch them sit down and watch them football game and they enjoy them football game. Because quite a few past players did there. And we know what it is if you play schoolboy football, you know. Because I tell you them, so most of the man them people they sit on sideline and take picture. Like you brother them Paul Reed and them man there. The man they work for Observer. I be say one video man the day of Tuesday. I be say he work for TVJ. Most man they sit on sideline of video games and they take picture. They work for media houses. Because I see them other day, I one lady, a woman in there they take picture. I be say she work for either I'm a cleaner she work for, or Star one in paper that she work for. One lady will take pictures and so forth, the pictures she take. So I tell the players them, so what me I do? You see me now really get no money out of it. And you them I do it for. Back in the days for States, and back in the days a long time I do it still. We start a nib, you know. And I take action picture from 1999, you know. And I cover the following Nip School 1999 I started picture 1998. And 1999 I drop on Nibia. You see, I see me guys when take some picture at D Cup final when States win 1999. Yeah man, the final at Jared Park and Oliver Sheila at States and Stadium, the only State side win the Oliver Shield. I have them pictures there. From the time I start taking pictures. Follow my schools, them go States and them take them pictures. We take thousands and thousands of pictures over the years. Both in the States. And charge little and nothing. Sometimes I give you the pictures them. I want to take pictures in a 015 when States win the Costa Cup. I create a new Facebook page and so I take the pictures them because I get all of Michael Carr goals, I get all the Starry goal, and so I take the pictures them and post them on my Facebook page. And so sharing have him in States. deco page too. And sure you go up on my page and take a picture and put it on the States page. Capture the whole of the Dakar Cup 2015. And by doing that, I never get no money for them sitting there. I just do it because I love the school. And all the while I say, man, all the while I talk to me, I go stop doing it. You know. If you notice when year starting now, I don't take no action pictures to tough because I can't take action picture and a video. Yeah man. When I come a match, that's my 23 Ultra and my 24 Ultra I use. With the 23 Ultra for the but for me the 20 for the video because when time I use the 23 Ultra and if you battery the battery run out, you turn to the 24 Ultra and finish it. Because the two of them come up to me the device and bend my YouTube channel. But what I say now, to cut a long story short, I tell the school players, I say, boy, I don't know video thing again. I can cool off R5 right now. They say I go follow them school and I'm dead now. Same they go for state same you know. I go cut down. I want to watch ball game now. I want to sit down, I want to come and watch and watch match. Like what other man I do. All my plan we do, yeah, I always take a still picture. Because I really take the lip school, the whole team together, the whole squad, and with the coaches in one team picture. And we take quite a few starting 11 pictures. And we take all the players in individual pictures. So man can go up on my device and build a Facebook page and take all them pictures. Appear still and you see it. I don't get to do it in the States now. I did it in the States last year. Take them individual pictures. But through certain vibes of States now, you know, see, I don't get to do it in the States because the way States people are behaving nowadays. They don't remember the man them, the vice man they on the team through the years when States the pan top of they do everything and I believe vice man say with them. You know see. I paid this, they want this man. I mean I take no this in for nobody you know. Nobody get now on this beside nobody. That's why when we come on match other day, we just take the start because I don't want to take all no picture. Because certain things go down last year, I don't want to debate back on that still. You know. The way all the one but him try to diss me. I say I left one but to God on time. I just say draw closer to God you know. Because I say the man that the that dissed me big time last year you know. I'm left him to God on time. Because last year we went on the high ass. I'm not nothing personal against Rambo you know. I'm nothing personal against Rambo you know. Because I just come on the state to do my work. I'm 100% behind Rambo. Then they want me to cool and humble. But the one that go on and diss people. And in diss me last year. I mean I tell people why the last but in diss me. And God and I'm left to me God and God bring him down. But God I just do a coach to my God, you know, I got fight my back with them you know. You know see it? You understand me? Because after he pumps some prime and I go on the motor and this man feels away there. You know see it? In jump out of the Costa Cup, in jump out of Ben Francis Cup, you know see it? He have to resign from Treasure Beach. And Treasure Beach jump out of a Premier League and he go back to square one. Some time we talk about Rambo right now. And that me I'm telling you, that's why I don't really do, that's why I come much other day. You know, see, I just went to my lineup for the match, I just take the start at 11, and that's it. I mean, I want to pan down behind States again, like I beg no friend for nobody. That's why I see man like Anthony Gordon, man like Anthony Gordon around State side again. Because they diss all, they actually Tony want to talk things, you know, but me a mouthpiece to Tony, you know. Then this Tony same way. Anthony Gordon. All the man around the team 2015, because I and I, you know, see it. As a vice man, won the youth in 2015. Take them picture, give them. Because the 2015 when States win the Costa Cup, me give every baller me give one calendar. The whole of them get a calendar for me. The whole of them get a calendar for me. And they get pictures like, I just saw me do. I just do me thing and build a vibes. Anthony, you know see it. Anthony Gagsy. Statesman. You know see it? Yeah man. That's how I and us left it together on time. We will States all the best, you know. States have to get them up. States because never from 20, never from 09 when States rise to the top. We never see States in such position yet. Return games in a them zone, in a fourth position. You know see it? Mano, BB Coke, and Magati in front States. Eh? I mean, I tell you, States now no players problem. States have a coach problem. A coach. Because the other school must step up them things to our levels. You know, see, because no way you have the senior players in your team and then improve. Something is wrong. You can't have JJ as a senior player. I'm going to have him a captain. And every match then take off JJ off of the field. Every match. That's when we get fairness done. Because I'm going to go see against BB Cook. And take him off of the field. I mean almost every match. You can't, your captain if you on the field, you lead the troops them. All the captains I know States used to have back in the days. The bigs, the go-go. You know see, all of them lead the team. Tajay, the one of them. Play up front role. And the same striker was left States and Ghana man now. Me say them talk about the boy not good. Them talk the youth not good. And you got man now, almost about 3 goals in score for States last year. And you got man now, and he scored a 5 goal in Ghana. He scored 5 goals. He scored more goals than put together what the States forward them score. States got Trinidad go for forward from Trinidad. They got Trinidad for forward. How much Trinidad you would score? You understand me? States have to put them up together. States have to put them up together. You know see it? If you come out of the zone, you say, yeah, States can't come out of the zone, you know. Because the team is better than States, you know. Because the players in my States have to get the job done. But States want coaches. You know see it? And that States want. States don't want to set up the players there because you have man like Liquid D and the whole man there can play. Mali can play, because I see Mali against BB Cook and Mali play good in the center of same way. Mali, all the States boys can play football. States not supposed to struggle so. Never in history of States football from 09 until now, States that 4th position, going in the first round. First round. Them time at the commission, States had a gel up, the gel in such a way. And States always a lead. Always a lead. Eh? And when man talk it through on the face, I carry feeling. I don't carry feelings with nobody. I love States. Because I don't come back a States match until with them States and man they play. Yeah man, when States and man play, them time I come back a States. Because me make a vow say, as long as me there at Jamaica, anytime States and man play, them States. Nah miss me. Because the atmosphere is so different. And I can't believe States and man go play this year and States can't something there. Now I'm going probably going to advance. Probably when States and man play, I go no interest going on in the game. If States don't lift up them thing. States can't afford to lose no more matches going forward. States have the players them can do it. They can appear sensitive, you play against the one and they don't sensitive. Because no man from Westmoreland and playing ball for the schools them again. In a seat, a Saint. No man from St. James. And you all find players from St. James and Westmoreland and Hanover. You might have played from St. Elizabeth and Manchester. But all of me I say, I love States. And I love Neva because I don't nip today. Because I go follow because I actually I'm a base and now I'm going to look one day match them. I'm going to tell them the ball them say, as them say, and you know see it. And some, even some supporters overseas, like Esco and them, and that's boy, I might think them tune in and watch the games. But boy, I tell you about Esco them, Why them want just relax and watch some football, you hear me? Like how my brother Mr. D come and watch and relax and watch him football. Catfish they match, catfish they relax and watch football. And that I want the right now. I just want to relax and enjoy some game. Because right now, Nip School will drop some ball pan spot ball the other day. The match was so excited. And that me decide about me if you watch a ball game them now. I want to relax now and watch some ball game. I do them thing upon 1999. They take picture with ballers from field and all them sitting there. From 1999 I do it. You know see it. I mean I get the money out of it out. I give my schools them. Because I don't take the money. I go just, you know see it, I just ease off the section and thing there. Give me that much, I'm on my phone. If a family want, if a parent want to take a picture with his son, he can use my phone and take a picture of them. Yeah man, that's what thing said. Because I see the youth them cry. I see the youth them cry Tuesday now. Them sit a youth there in school, them love the game. Them have a passion for the game. All man, who know upon the field cry. Baby Potter, when he lose Tuesday, all Baby Potter cry. Just like when Carnival beat the 81 over here, so 81 we on Carnival. You know see, top of the zone, top of the table class same way. And Carnival give it 2-1. With Dangali and kick the free kick and Juggies try volleyball. Juggies try volleyball and the ball lost. You know see it. Get out and drop into the goal. You see after a match, Mr. Juggies ball like a baby. Shabba, them on the ball like a baby. All them on them ball. Think it's easy if you go to go play any ball game because I know what it's feeling. And when the youth them, because when time here someone attack this and someone attack that, the youth them lift them game. In such a way, Mr. Boy, no brother, you have to watch them go to play some football and enjoy the thing right now. When I say me now video again, you know. You have a video again, you know. But I don't know when. I don't know when, because I get the youth them team pictures, I get them individual pictures. Because when we used to go on Neb, I don't know individual picture with myself, you know, playing for them, you know. I have team pictures, I have 3, I have 1980, the 81, and the 82 team pictures. I have them pictures, but now the individual pictures. That's why I come, I take all the ball of them individual pictures. So they can give it to the school if I want, they can go on my Facebook page and take off it. But action picture, no cool off half fight for a while. So Esco, boy, I don't know how you go see games, but I go cool off of the action picture them for a while. Just like I'm cool off at the action picture them at the crack by them street league. I cool off. You see, I cool off. When I start, I cool off and I go catch the finals. You know see it. I don't know how far this Nip team I go. I don't know how far Stats team I go. Because I say, I go. Actually, that much of the day, I go follow Nip until I die. Just like the old time labor right, I go follow Buster Man until them dead. I see him go to follow Nip and I go follow Stats same way. Because none of them don't have Stats dead. All of them don't have Stats dead. Because I come to Stats gate before no found don't have Stats dead. And the found don't have Stats go and own Stats. Me I travel through Stats gate before Mr. Keith Wellington the whole I know. From 1979, me enter Stats premises as a little 13-year-old. 1979 I go through Stats. And none of you can take Stats from out of my heart. Because I come to Stats, I come different. When I see one whole time baller, I interview them like what they. Interview Buster, interview Sarwan, interview Richie, in a seat. And interview Tajay. Come if you run up and down and try to take a ball a picture down and Stats. You take pictures of them, you know. Because I always like take Malik picture. Because I take Malik picture from Malik a baby. I want to fan of Malik because Malik love football. And Malik can make football with and without his father. Nice his father support him, but Malik is love the game. And Malik can go to places, as long as he keep discipline. Yeah man, I always like take Malik picture. And I vex so when I give take Malik individual picture. against BB Coke the day because the way how the girl, how the woman are sick. I go call her name Miss Grant. The way how Miss Grant behave, because we can call the whole of them name down there. The way how she behave, they collect money from me. But I say, I'm beg no friend. Me pay me money and me go in a match same way. Because I'm dirty money. Me pay me money. I don't like beg, you know. I think I like beg people anything at all. That's why my face steal and I pour myself, you know. You know, see it? Yeah, but look at me poor and bossy. But me know, so me proud of my poorness. I mean, I don't thief nobody, I don't rob nobody. Yeah, I forget no riches. Me still want to try the one away or me try the one away. I mean, a bad mind people and good people for them have. You understand me? Look at me look fresh. Me ever look clean, ever look fresh. Because if God me serve, God fight all my battles them. Leave everything unto God. Yeah, my mind, God, Jesus Christ, want to talk nothing but Jesus and Jesus this and Jesus that. And Jesus, Jesus me put my problems stuff. And when last year the Rambo him diss me, Jesus bring him down to nothing. A long time I bury Rambo, you know. Yeah, man, I bury Rambo from 2019. For I went to Happy Grove beat up states against a drug sale. And one time I put Rambo in a casket. And Mr. Keith Wellington always resurrect him. Mr. Keith Wellington always resurrect Rambo. I'm the only man go up on social media and put Rambo in a casket. Because I know football. I was taught Mr. Neva will teach me football. Back in the 70s, when time, enough of them Brazilian coach come down, they have them coach program all over the island. And made them use here demonstrate. When they show what to do, yeah man, the Brazilian coach use me. One Brazilian coach come out Jamaica one time, and he called me the local one. The local one he called me. I think it's one of one normally we take on the football. That's why I say Rambo don't know nothing at all about football, brother. And Rambo don't win nothing. Nothing, I mean, nothing personal against Rambo. Rambo don't win nothing without Mr. Windell Dunswell. Nothing at all in a win. And I keep on telling him, say, oh, Mr. Windell Dunswell come off for Royal States. Get Dovey in the thing. Get Dovey. And Dovey can coach the coaches them. Because when time, because una love old people, you know. Una feel a young this and a young that and a young this and a young that. That's why so I not bring up film name and this thing I think. And football me I deal right now. So I bring up Andrew Wallace in this right now. But if you Dovey a young old coach, you know, if he's Dovey can do anything. Jackie Walter still there man when man come here, come play nib. In the nib something the extravaganza football when I pop that Emancipation Day. Jackie Walters up on Manual bench while you did the code side same way. In a seat. When Andrew left States and got Manual 2012. Says ain't play anybody new. Says one for nobody. And Mr. D and Rambo in a seat. Enough to me know, you know. And see Rambo see you too ungrateful. Because things what Mr. D do for you. And you turn one against the man. Enough to me know, but that me don't want to talk certain to me learn to God on time, you know. Mr. See like what KD Knight say. When KD Knight tell Andrew wants to pack him bag and leave. I basically when tell Boots goal is the same thing too. Rambo need to pack him bag. Mr. Keith will need to fire you. You need to pack your bag and leave States football alone. You can go on like you behave like States footballer for you. You see it? And for Mr. Keith Wellington. Mr. Keith Wellington, if you want Malik to win the Dakar Cup, to leave the Dakar Cup, put it out in order, brother. Get good coaches and coach you them. States now because Manuel and BB coach, none of them better than States. States have coaching problem. Coaching problem States have from 2017 until now. And we are talking about it in a seat. Tony, talk about it. When I get a deaf face, Tony, Gagsy, who makes States win Dakar Cup 2015. Tony makes States the instrumental part of in a seat. And Tony did want manager. Tony did want manage state side 2016. And put it Tony. On reject Tony. Yeah man. On reject Tony. That's a Gagsy statesman. But 2015, Tony get the whole school credit. Phone card. Everybody want phone card, get phone card from Tony. Every baller get phone card. Our teachers get phone card. Everything the man give the players, the man, everybody. And me and Tony used to roll in a seat. In a silver undercard. And I go see the undercard again. The one yourself. And I go see it again. And I non-stop roll on states. Because principal come and principal goes. What I say big up to Mr. Keith Wellington, you know. Big up to Mr. Keith Wellington, you know. Big up to you know. I have great amount of respect for you. Till I'll call you my Prime Minister. Till me I'll say, if you come out a principalship and go into active politics, because it's a better job than Babsy Grade. Come on, States family man. Come on man. States is supposed to struggle them way better. States is supposed to be in fourth position in time of year. States supposed to be at least a first or second. Mangati and him side in front of States. States got Newell the other day and can't beat Newell. Newell force a score against States. It's a joke thing going on States. It's a madness going on States. And you man talk on vex. But as I say, me now beg nothing at all. You talk the truth. States are not play a problem. A coach problem States up. That's what you left States and that's what the leading goal scorer for man now left States and got man now because of Rambo. And that me hear. Because of Rambo don't know to talk to the youth them. And left and go. If I lie me I tell, that me hear. And left and go man now. And you go on the claim say no for the State supporters so the youth are good. And you score 5 goals for man now. A man now, I put a man now leading goal scorer. He's supposed to be the leading goal scorer in the zone right now. He scored 5 goals. How much goals States scoring all? How much goals States scoring all so far? Yeah man, all the States players them together. 4 goals me here, States score so far. And you States main striker left and gone man now and gone 5 goals. I'm not talking about the good. I'm better States, I'm better putting the act together. And hear me putting the act together. Because it's going to be the first year for this longest while States come out of the zone. You know see it? And we don't want that happen. Me want when time you come up States and Manu, the last match, States is either States and Manu equal and States want a win if you go through, or a draw if you go through. And that me want here. And the argument done. Me not beg no friend to nobody down the States. Yes, I'm my own big man. Me pay for any me want go. If me come down there, I don't want to charge me go on my money and me come in on the game. And go watch me ball game. And that me go start the top. Can I come to States and man, I go to go in at the stands and sit down and watch match. And support Seabird and in a seat. And so me go start roll now. If you see one ball, I can interview a ball and put on my YouTube channel. When you get in the act, down the States, you hear me? Get in the act together. If Etsy roll, Etsy does roll. Because any of States lose tomorrow. You know, see it? Because in 2019, when time, Mr. Keith Wellington dropped the coaches them and said, boy, and tell them so have the players them if we win the Costa Cup. And if we don't win the Costa Cup, the whole coaching staff will go. That's what Mr. Keith Wellington said 2019. And when Happy Grove beat we and knock you to the Costa Cup, Mr. Chambers giving him resignation. Everybody, I see the Rambo still did the same way. Every year you promise you're going to run a Rambo. Every year when States lose. Last year when the States lose, Zoom meeting call. Mr. Keith Wellington, that is Zoom meeting. No meeting no keep. Because the problem, they want to address the problem of States football and see the Rambo again same way. I want to know why Rambo can't live with the States football. Why can't live with the States football? Why? I mean, I'm nothing personal against Rambo, you know. Mr. Rambo, if you get fired for in 2017, that me say, and that Anthony Gordon said too. I mean, I'm debate upon that because I put that on my post already. You hear me, brother? I come to States and man no match. And I hope so I come to States and man no match. States are, by the time I say, suppose they lead the zone. And my man would play play for top the zone. No BB Coke and him sign up for the phone says no Magati. I want him to know better. I want him to know. No BB Coke and no Magati not the position in front of states. Madness that. Madness. I'm going to sign out now. As I say, this is my vice. I'm going to down the states argument. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to follow the band states until I'm dead. But I'm going to cool off for the video and the action picture taking. I take still picture before and after games. But I watch ball game, brother. I go watch ball game. Because anybody play some ball, as small as him is, him play some ball other day against Pat Valley. Same like how States dropped some ball against Clarendon College last year. When Clarendon College had one State put on some ball upon Clarendon College. But States not advance. Because of who? Because of who? Because of Rambo. You know, see it. Because last year I left Rambo to God on time. Because this me last year. This me last year. I'm left to God on time. And so God bring him right down. States not going nowhere. And Treasure be drop out of Premier League. And so come know some man got great. You know, if I me work as them, you know. Enough things up in my life, you know. I'm say God deal with things for me, you know. That me I say. So you see me, they want to only leave me alone. Because I'm not bad mind people. I'm not thief nobody, I'm not rob nobody. I'm a child of God. I might not run up and down in a church, but I know my Bible, I read my Bible. And if I know God, I reflects different. No man is perfect, you know. No man is perfect. But I love Jesus Christ so much. Yeah, man. So, as I say, as a Bob Marley say, one love. One love. I mean, I address this text topic again, more easier for our fight. And that's it. And Nip see me, I say, I just watch the games him now. I match to them, I just watch a game. I just kick back one away, sit down and watch a ball game. And watch with them and enjoy the game. Because I play some ball better. I play some nice football. And the performance as Pat Valley chose him in this size, but I watch me ball and play ball. I watch look at them play ball right now. Because they love the game, they have a passion for it. Because them lose Tuesday, them ball like a baby. Then lose in first match and then cry. Because they give them heart and soul. That's not for your wise purpose. When they can lose, they can rally back. Because between them and Surrey Titans and Spat Valley are the three better teams in the commission. So they have to win today. So I wish them all the best today. And big up Allen High School. The school that support me. See me. But when it comes to football, you have to understand Allen and Neva. And I start the happiness. So I have to set an example. And Neva me say, as I say, Michael Manley Pitner tune out. Right now. You don't like it, drop dead.